I hit this issue today, and here's the quick fix that solved it. Setting up an eSIM on your Samsung device with Rogers can be straightforward if you follow these steps. Step 1. Check compatibility. Before activation, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the eSIM compatibility checker and confirm your device and carrier are supported. Step 2. Get your eSIM activation code. Contact Rogers customer service or log into your Rogers account to obtain your eSIM activation code. This code is essential for the setup process. Step 3. Open mobile network settings. On your Samsung device, go to Settings, Connections, Mobile Networks. Here, you will find the option to add a mobile plan. Step 4. Add mobile plan. Select Add mobile plan and then choose the option to scan a QR code or enter the activation code manually. Follow the prompts to complete the setup. Step 5. Activate the eSIM. Once the eSIM is added, you may need to restart your device. After rebooting, ensure that your new plan is active by checking the mobile network settings. Remember, if you encounter any issues, double-check that you entered the activation code correctly, as a small typo can prevent activation. Enjoy your new eSIM setup.